Hello students, welcome class 1 to your e-learning computer class. I hope you have watched the previous videos and you have noted down. Now today class 1 I will discuss chapter number 2, parts of a computer, that from exercise oral questions, right? Please all of you open your computer notebook and book also. Please all of you take out your computer book and notebook also. Oral question number 3, there is oral question. Previous class I discussed that fill in the blanks and true false also. This part completed. Today I will start oral questions. We will write this question in our notebook. Please open your copy and let's start the question answer. Okay children? Question number 1. List the functions of a keyboard. List the question and answer. Write the heading first. Now question number 1. List the functions of a keyboard. Write the answer. The keyboard is used to type letters, numbers, and special characters. Next question number 2. Name the part of the computer. Name the part of the computer which is used to point at things on the monitor. Name the part of the computer which is used to point at things on the monitor. Which part of the computer is used to point? Which part? Mouse. Write the answer. Mouse. Next question number 3. Name the part of the computer. Name the part of the computer which is used to listen to sounds and music, played on the computer system. Name the part of the computer which is used to listen to sounds and music played on the computer system. Which part we use to listen music played on the computer system? Which part? Speaker. Write the answer. Speaker. We use speaker. Next question number 4. Which part of the computer is also known as the brain of the computer? Which part of the computer is also known as the brain of the computer? Which part of the computer is also known as the brain of a computer? Which part? CPU. Write the answer. CPU. In capital letters. C for central, P for processing and U for unit. CPU. Next, question number 4. There is think and do. Think and do. You will write the name the parts of this computer. Lata's dad gifted a computer system to Lata on her birthday. The computer system came in various packed boxes, each containing a part of the computer system. Help Lata recognize the part of the computer system by naming each part. Now, please all of you open your book, page number 23, and just write the name of this part. This is monitor. Right over here. Monitor. I will rub the board. What is the name of this part? This is number A. Right over here. Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. What is this? What is the name of this part? This is CPU. What is this? This part name is C. Keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. This is the name of this part. Number D. This is mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Please all of you write over here in this box. A. Monitor, B. CPU, C. Keyboard and D. Mouse. Okay children? Look, all the parts are attached with the CPU because CPU is the brain of a computer, right? Next, please open next page number 24. Please all of you open page number 24. Tick the correct part of the computer. Just please open page number 24. Few pictures are given. There is picture based exercise. Picture based exercise. Tick the part of the computer from the pictures given below. Also write their name in the blanks given. Okay. First one is, this is the real mouse, computer mouse and cycle. Which is the computer part? Middle one, mouse. Tick over here. Write the tick. Please all of you tick the mouse. Next, number B. There is television, television or radio. This is radio, tire and monitor. Which is the computer part? Monitor. Tick over here, all of you. Next, CPU. This is the wristwatch and this is keyboard. Now these two are the part of the computer, CPU and keyboard. Write the name of this. Tick over here. First tick mouse, next tick monitor and third number tick CPU and keyboard, and write the name of this part. A, mouse, number 1 mouse. Number B, monitor, MONITOR. Number C, CPU, and number D, keyboard, KEYBOARD. Okay children, all will complete these 2 pages. Question answer you will write in your notebook and these questions you will write in your book. Today this much. See you next class. Thank you.